Hello, I'm Officer Judy Hops. How to be a fireman. Also called a firefighter, those who fight fires are trained to do their job anywhere, from forests to rural areas to urban high-rises. They work first and foremost to protect our life, and then they turn their attention to protecting property. They climb up on the ladder to see the rooms which were caught on fire. You will notice there are many fire extinguishers in each and every hallway. The basic tasks of firefighters include fire suppression, rescue, fire prevention, basic first aid, and investigations. Firefighting is further broken down into skills which include size up, extinguishing, ventilation, search and rescue, salvage, containment, mop up and overhaul. When a fire burns due to the presence of three elements, fuel, oxygen and heat, this is often referred to as the fire triangle. Sometimes it is known as the fire tetrahedron if a fourth element is added, a chemical chain reaction which can help sustain certain types of fire. Buildings that are made of flammable materials such as wood are different from building materials such as concrete. But sometimes it can catch fire if exposed to flammable materials, or it must be an electrical short, causing to break out a fire. Firefighters rescue people from dangerous situations such as crashed vehicles, structural collapses, trench collapses, cave and tunnel emergencies, and others. Large fire departments, such as the New York City Fire Department and London Fire Brigade, have specialist teams for advanced technical rescue. Firefighters can also provide some degree of emergency medical care. In some jurisdictions, first aid is the only medical training that firefighters have, and medical-only calls are the sole responsibility of a separate emergency medical services agency if one or more persons are either injured or dead, ensuring that each household has working smoke alarms, is educated in the proper techniques of fire safety, has an evacuation route and rendezvous point is of top priority in public education for most fire prevention teams in almost all fire department localities. To allow protection from the inherent risks of fighting fires, firefighters wear a self-contained breathing apparatus, delivers air to the firefighter through a full face mask, and is worn to protect against smoke inhalation, toxic fumes, and superheated gases. They must have ropes for the emergency at least 30 to 40 feet in length to help people come down. Without using ropes, people will likely to jump and get killed because of being suicidal behavior. There are many causes of fire breakout for some reason. One is the cooking accident in restaurants, secondly the electrical short in some equipment like electricity meter, or thirdly, an explosion in the boiler room might have caused this. Fire investigators, who are experienced firefighters trained in fire cause determinism, are dispatched to fire scenes in order to investigate and determine whether the fire was a result of an accident or intentional. Some fire investigators have full law enforcement powers to investigate and arrest suspected arsonists. That is why we need to call fire brigade, but don't forget the helpline number. The nationwide emergency number in the US is 911. So, hope you know this action. Like, comment, and subscribe now.